Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the D-Link and DSL 2750U modem. I just got this right now and I'm gonna unbox it in front of you. So the packaging was really good. I bought this from Flipkart.com, one of the most trusted online retailers in India. And the packaging was obviously good and the delivery was really quick, so thanks to Flipkart for that. And also, as you can see here, it's a brand new item. Comes with the plastic thing around, and here is the modem in the box. In the front here you can see the a picture of the modem itself with two antennas. And behind there is information about what this product does: create a wireless network to high speed internet, access files, etc, and why wireless N is better, and about various ports in here. As you can see here, there are 4 LAN ports. It's a WPS button, on off button, power connector, wireless on off button, that's really cool, USB port, and a DSL port. And there are various other models and the comparison between them and the features. As you can see here, this is an AD, the DSL 2750 is the one of the high end. It's really cheap in here. This is not a really high end modem, but it's of moderate range. Let's unbox this modem. Unboxing it. Here we have the modem itself. Is fairly lightweight, covered in that bubble wrap. So here's the modem, this protective plastic cover, and also here's the protection as well, and also the 2 antennas. So here you can see, before tearing this apart, insert CD and run wizard first. Okay, let's keeping the modem aside for a moment. Let's take a look at what's inside. Here we have the LAN cable. Sorry, it's the LAN cable, as you can see here. And here is a line splitter. That's nice. Here we have the power adapter, and here we have the CD itself, including the softwares and the everything that needs to be set up with the modem and the computer. Here we have the warranty and safety information, declaration of conformity, and GPL code statement, quick installation guide, and that's about it, my friends. So this was my unboxing of my D-Link modem. If you have any queries about any computer stuff, mobiles or cameras, you can post below. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel if you really like the video, because it would be really grateful for me. And really thank you for watching this video. Bye.